Welcome to the ultimate weekly plan for men. Level up your life. A man without a plan is just drifting. You want to be better, stronger, more successful? Then take control of your week. Let's break it down. Your meals, your workouts, your to-do list, and your time to recharge. Let's go. Your body is a machine. What you put in is what you get out. Junk food, lazy energy. Clean food, you stay sharp, strong, and ready to dominate. Plan your meals, save time, save money, build your body. Your body is built to move. Here's the plan to get it done. No excuses, just results. Pick your program, stick to it, let's go. A strong man doesn't let things pile up. You have a life to run. Here's your weekly to-do list. Handle your business. Pay your bills. No late fees, no stress. Fix things at home. The fence, the car, the leaky sink, handle it. Run errands, groceries, laundry, oil change, done. Check on family and friends. Call your parents, check in with the boys. Plan your week. What's your next move? Job, business, fitness. Handle your business like a man. Stay on top of it. No loose ends. Hustle hard, but don't burn out. A man who never stops working eventually breaks down. Schedule your downtime. Read, feed your mind 10 pages a day. Walk, clear your head, get fresh air, cycle, feel the wind, move your body, meditate, just breathe, disconnect, no phone, no stress, just you. Recharge like a king. When you rest right, you come back stronger. One week at a time, that's how you build a life. Plan your meals, train like a beast, handle your business, and take time to recharge. No one's coming to save you. It's on you to build the life you want. Are you ready? Let's get to work. Plan your week. Own your life. Be unstoppable.